If you run an agency, you know the stress of relying entirely on one-off client projects. You land a deal, build a campaign, get paid, and then your revenue drops to zero until you secure the next contract. The alternative is a monthly marketing retainer, a predictable fee that stabilizes your cash flow and allows you to plan your business growth in advance. But retainers require a continuous stream of creative assets and constant evidence of value. Meeting those demands manually often exceeds the capacity of a small agency team. Adstorm is an AI-driven platform designed to handle these creative and technical tasks from one dashboard. We will use a 3-step workflow within the software to generate a full campaign from scratch, providing the infrastructure needed to pitch long-term agreements. By automating campaign deployment, you replace the start and stop nature of one-off projects with a recurring cycle of agency revenue. Step 1 is establishing the campaign architecture. We want to do this without the friction of traditional client onboarding. Typically, this requires hours of manual research, reading through a client's website to extract product features, brand voice, and demographic data. Instead, we use the scan page feature. You paste your prospect's website URL into the dashboard and let the AI analyze the site. The system extracts the core brand profile and target audience parameters, populating these fields automatically based on the existing content of the site. This ensures the AI's subsequent output uses the same language and messaging as the client's existing brand. Bypassing manual data entry saves unbillable hours while ensuring the campaign stays aligned with the client's actual business goals. Step 2 is generating the headlines and visuals, a workload that usually requires an internal creative team of writers and designers. We navigate to the Ads module and select the target platforms. In this case, we will focus on Facebook and Instagram. To avoid starting with a blank page, we use the Angles menu. This provides a list of specific marketing hooks the AI has generated based on the brand data we scanned earlier. You select a specific AI model, such as Gemini or GPT, to process that hook and generate the ad copy. The software then creates the headlines, primary text, and visual assets simultaneously. These visuals are automatically generated in the square, portrait, and landscape dimensions required by social ad networks. This speed allows you to create dozens of variations, enabling you to test different hooks and keep the audience engaged over time. The ability to continuously refresh these creatives is the service you are providing to justify a monthly retainer. Step 3 is deploying the campaign and tracking its performance. These generated assets can be pushed directly to the selected platforms through the software interface. One of the primary difficulties in agency work is reporting, manually collecting data from multiple ad managers to show a client what is happening. Adstorm consolidates those data streams into one view, organizing impressions, clicks, and conversions into unified charts. This dashboard allows you to show the client their performance over time, providing evidence of the work you are doing. This automated reporting helps bridge the gap between a one-time project and a long-term partnership. This workflow allows you to move from a raw URL to a deployed, multi-platform campaign in a single session. By using AI for continuous testing and automated reporting, you establish the structure needed for a recurring revenue model. You can start this today by running a prospect's website through the page scanner to build an immediate pitch. Using this automated system replaces the uncertainty of project-based work with a process designed for predictable agency scaling.